Hey there guys. So what I'm doing is going ahead and record the Maono microphone through my screen recorder on the Galaxy Note 9. Now, when I originally recorded the unboxing of the Maono microphone, I just used the onboard microphone from my camera, my Lumix G9, and now I am going to record with the Maono microphone into the Note 9 and do a voiceover on the unboxing video. What I want to do is just give you a good idea of what the sound quality is of this microphone, so that way you can have an idea if this microphone is going to be something that's going to work for you. Now, one of the benefits of this microphone is that it can be connected right to a cell phone, and once it's connected to the cell phone, you're able to get a little bit better quality sound than you could get initially with your microphone. As you were able to see with my setup that I have here, I set the phone and keyboard right up on a little stand, and you're able to talk to people and have full utilization of your phone while doing any kind of meeting things, or as what I'm doing right now, editing video, where I will be using a voiceover option. So this is the unboxing here, and what I'm going to go ahead and do is stop this recording and just voice over the unboxing video. Look at that turbo speed. Quality, quality, quality. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and stop this and do the voiceover. Check, 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 check. All right. Hey there, YouTube. So today I've got a nice little review for you. This was given to me by Maono. Maono's a microphone company. They do other electronics, and they wanted me to do a little unboxing and give you a review of what I thought. Alright, what you got to hear there previously was the onboard microphone from the Panasonic Lumix G9, and this is now the Maono AU PM421 Professional Audio Innovation Microphone, being recorded into the Galaxy Note 9. And this is the unboxing. As you can tell, the packaging looks nice. And this is what you first find when you open it up. There's a little thank you card. You've got the foam windscreen here. I highly recommend purchasing a better one. That goes with any of these kit microphones that you buy. Replace that piece of foam immediately with something thicker and a little better made. That has nothing to do against this microphone company. Just the stock one that comes with them all is terrible. This is pretty good quality. I don't use any of the windscreens like that. Just for whatever reason, they just seem to get in my way more than anything. Some people prefer them. My guess is that if you're screaming into the microphone all the time, that would probably be beneficial to you. As we remove the first tray, what we find under here is the instruction packet that tells you how to properly use this microphone for all your daily tasks. And just taking a quick look through there and put that off to the side. The next thing that we find is the scissor arm. These scissor arms that come with these are actually fairly decent quality. They will resonate and pick up your voice if you have a deep voice. And those springs right there, they should probably be covered with some kind of fabric, anything to just absorb any of the vibration that will be picked up from a baritone type sounding voice. And again, I can't speak enough about the quality of this. I think it'll handle regular day-to-day usage. If you got kids, I probably wouldn't let them be hanging on it. Now, the little shock mount, again, this is the standard inexpensive shock mount that comes with all of these kind of microphones. Will it work in most situations? Absolutely. I don't think that you have to go out and replace that immediately with anything different, and I would just use it. This wire here, it's got a firewire to USB, and this is what allows the microphone to plug into your computer. If you've got a smartphone that's got the USB-C, it probably came with an adapter that you could plug that USB port into and then make this work with your phone. But I went ahead and purchased a separate cable that you'll see later for doing exactly what I'm doing now, just because I do use my phone probably for recording more than I do my computer. My phone doesn't have any kind of fans to hear, so I'm able to go into a quiet area and do any of the audio recordings that I choose to do. What you can hear in the background right now are my kids, who have managed to be quiet all day long, and then I hit record and they haven't shut up. no matter how many times I've gone out and talked to them. This is the microphone here. It has got great weight to it. It's got a little gain dial here to help increase and decrease the gain. And I think it works fairly well. Definitely works fairly well. The build quality, it definitely seems like it's got some weight to it. It's got the screw mount, so that way you can screw it onto different kinds of shock mounts. But all in all, I think the quality here is fantastic. Could it handle a drop or two? Possibly. Would I want to drop this microphone? I don't think I would. But again, all of these things together, this is definitely a good quality packaging. The C-clamp that you see in there is just like the industry standard. If you've got a wooden desk or a composite desk, it'll probably do some damage if there's not any kind of foam protection in it. I would just suggest maybe doing something like that. And what I'm going to go here now is show you my setup that I'm using currently as I'm recording this. And it's going to be my microphone and Bluetooth keyboard attached to the phone. And that's what you're hearing. That's how I'm doing this right now. And that is a picture of a plate and another scissor stand. Here's the wire that I'm using. And I hope you've enjoyed this this little recording here. I hope that the sound quality that you've gotten from this is going to be something that you're going to find very useful in the future. And there's many things to this microphone that can make your day easier. First of all, being able to plug this microphone into a cell phone and then sit in on a Zoom meeting with just a higher quality sound, I think would bring your presence to any meeting just up a notch, especially above your coworkers who are talking through their either computer microphone or their cell phone microphone, where the quality is not going to be there in comparison to this. And as you can tell, while I'm talking to you, this is picking up background noise. Amazingly, you can hear my kids screaming and running around on the porch. Sorry, I turned my head away because I was looking at them. But you can hear my kids running around having a blast outside. So this microphone does pick up quite a bit. I would recommend, if you're going to be sitting in any meeting, obviously having a quiet room is key. All right, again, hopefully this helps you out.